Hello first grade, here is your first grade week 6 packet preview or overview of what's in your packet. So the first one is the sight word school. You're going to write a sentence using the sight word and then draw a picture to match. And then you'll just sort the letters into the correct spaces. You can just cross them off when you finish to put them in to make the word school. And then on the back is more school practice. So you're going to color in the sight word right up here, color it in, and then write the sight word on the lines so you can trace it and then write it. And then you're going to circle every word that spells the sight word, so all the schools you find, and then write the sight word on the line right here to complete the sentence. And then on your next page, this is the short U sound. And then on this page, it is beginning blends. So you're going to say the name of the picture and then fill in the letters that make the beginning sound and then color the pictures. Then we have the short I sound. Get more information on that later. And this one, which is the short O sound. And then sight word what, you're doing the same thing that you did for school. Write a sentence using it, draw a picture, and then sort the letters in to spell the word. Same thing for back here. Color the sight word, trace and write, circle all the what's that you find, and then write the sentence here on the line. And then this is another review of the sight word U. So you're going to color it, trace it, write it, rainbow write. Instead of copying and pasting, you're just going to write the letter on here and then circle where you see the word U. And then this is another fact family. You're going to use the 3 numbers right here to write 4 different facts. So 2 addition and 2 subtraction. And then this is a fun coloring sheet. So you're going to solve these math problems, write the number underneath. You can see that some of them are vertical, which means up and down, and then some of them are horizontal, which is side to side. You're going to solve them, and then you're going to use the key at the bottom. So if your answer is 10 or 13 or 14, you'll color blue, and so on. And then you'll have this fancy parrot colored. This is just a fun worksheet about your name. So you're going to write each letter of your name in one of the circles, and then you're going to write the letters to make a 10 frame. And then count how many letters you have in your name. And then draw a picture of something that starts with the first letter of your name. So for Mrs. Hooker, I would write H-O-O-K-E-R. And then I write H-O-O-K-E-R. There's 6 letters in my name. And then a picture of something, I could draw a hat. If I wanted, that starts with H, or a hippo, or a picture of somebody being really hungry. All sorts of things you could draw with the letter H. So you're going to draw something that starts with the first letter of your name. Creative. And then this page is I can identify living things. So you're going to label the drawing and check each word as you use it and then color the picture. So the first one is a picture of a bear. So you'd go down here and find the word bear. Bear starts with B. We have 2 words that start with B. This one's boy, and this one's bear. Okay, so you take this word bear, because that's a picture of a bear, and you copy it. And once you copy it, you're going to make a check mark so that you know that you've used it, and then you can color the picture. Okay, and then the last page is something very special. Everybody has one of these ice cream dishes, and this is for our last day of school on the 15th. We're all going to create our own ice cream sundaes. If we were in school, we would probably be having something like an ice cream party, but we're going to have a virtual ice cream party. So color your ice cream sundaes and You can color them any kind, however you want. Have your parents take a picture of it and send it to your teacher, or post it on our Facebook page as a comment. We would love to see your ice creams so we can share those out so everybody can see what kind of ice cream you would have for our virtual last day of school ice cream party. Miss you guys. Love you so much. I know Mrs. Polanco and Mrs. Warren and I are really, really missing you all. Each and every one of you first graders, it has been a pleasure and a joy to teach you this year. And we are missing you so, so much. This concludes your week 6 packet overview. Love you guys.